Hi, I'm Fei from Wing Canvas, and today we're going to talk about three-point perspective. I'm going to draw a horizon line. Three-point perspective is almost the same as two-point perspective. You have two vanishing points that are on each end of your horizon line. And you have a third vanishing point, and this can be either above your horizon line or below your horizon line, depending on your point of view. So I'm going to start at the corner, and I'm going to bring each point to the vanishing point. And the only difference is when you're drawing the lines that are going up and down, we're going to distort them and actually bring them up to the vanishing point. Because you're looking up at it, it's smaller at the top than it is at the bottom. So let's imagine that this floating building has two people, one person at the bottom and one person at the top. So obviously the person at the top will be a lot smaller. And the guy at the bottom, notice I'm drawing his head right on the horizon line because he is the one that's looking up. So now we're gonna add some windows to this floating building. So I'm gonna divide this building into sections evenly at the bottom, and I'm going to bring them up to the top to the third vanishing point. So I have some guidelines for myself. So after I follow the lines up to the vanishing point, I need to find the middle of this object. So how you find it is you draw an X from corner to corner. And as you can see here, the middle line is actually closer to the vanishing point than it is to the horizon line. Now, this is an illusion because it's actually not the middle on the page, but it's the middle because your object is going into space. If I kept drawing those X's and kept drawing those X's, it would roughly be So typically where you'll find three-point perspective is if you are very low to the ground looking up at something high, or you are very, very high above the ground, let's say at the top of a building and you're looking down at something. Things look warped and they look very dramatic. So that wraps up three-point perspective. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this three-part tutorial. To see part 1 on one-point perspective, you can click here, and on two-point perspective, click here. Thanks for watching.